aber nicht führen. Da 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 da. Running. Ich habe aufgegeben. Jetzt noch einmal, Leute. Oh, ohne Scheiß. The hell, this crack.
Hello all, emoji wide smile.
Spider. Do your worst. Just a little trough, nothing else. Heute der Musik, Alter, was ist das los? Safe fix, die rechte Seite muss offen werden, damit ich denken kann. Die linke Seite ist nur dazu da, dass ich überlebe, dass ich saufen kann, aber die rechte Seite muss offen sein. Das ist nervig. Wirklich sehr, sehr nervig. Mag mal kalt. Geht nicht. Krieg nicht frei. Verdammt nochmal. Geht nicht. Verdammt nochmal. Ich kann ja anfangen zu rauchen, Alter, aber das ist sinnlos ist. Kannst du lang danach schauen. Scheiße, Alter, was ist da los? Wieder gestorben. Gibt's keine Krieger mehr. Alle tot. Alle tot. krass, Alter.
Faction battle.
Oh Gott, was ist los? Dauert das so lang? Oh, da bin ich ja selber. Okay. Dann passt's ja. Dann dauert es noch eine Woche, um eine Trophäe zu bekommen jetzt, oder was? Oh meine Fresse, ey. Was für ein mieser Live-Chat. Es ist einfach kein Bock einfach. Du hast einfach keinen Bock dann irgendwas zu tun. I can't. What the hell? I can't. I'm sorry. I don't know what is going on. bullshit. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. I really do. I do. And then? What? This is bullshit, dude. This tutorial is an asshole. An asshole. I give up. I can't even press the mother... My fucking controller is broken. I can't even press the option button. What the shit? I can't do nothing. Nothing. I can't even press the option button here. This game is totally rotten. It's a piece of shit. It's a broken game. It's a broken motherfucking game.
DjVolgin. Tremor.
Yeah, sure. Right now the AI is just moving. It's just dealing done. It's just that was deciding where we're fighting. I can't believe it. That's just bullshit. I don't know. Just feel done. I can't even... What the hell?
Finish him.
Times, nothing happens.
Fatality.
You kick my ass, right?
Finish him.
Don't ask again. Are you drunk? It doesn't matter, you don't get the trophy anymore. But seriously, I'm pressing some buttons, it doesn't matter. This complete game is broken.
DjVolgin wins. Fatality.
No trophy. Okay. Blah 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 blah. This game is broken, yo. Let's see the fuck the ship trophy, yo. It says. Here we go. There it is. Like 30 times during a fatality sequence. Trolling. Can't deal down. Game is broken. Huh. Fuck it. Continue then the story. This is just what the fuck. Seriously, just this game is broken. Our featured restless deadly inside. What the mother in hell, you know? I just don't feel surviving, alive anymore. Yeah, you're done with your shit. Who do you want to play for? Authentic character. What's with Tanya? Nope.
Jackie Briggs.
Either got a pee, be right back. Have fun. What the fuck, dude? That's nonsense. This game made for what? Unfunniness? Jesus, this is not fair. Das ist dasselbe, wenn ich am Fahrersitz sitze, Alter, oder auf dem Beifahrersitz, das ist scheißegal. Ich muss ständig pinkeln. Und wenn ich dann pinkeln möchte, geht's nicht. Und warum? Ich muss wieder Fahrrad fahren, Alter. Das ist doch kein Taugen nicht mehr, Alter. Die ganze Situation ist doch voll für den Arsch. Langweilt mich einfach. Oh yeah. Schon wieder diese Earplugs, Alter, fallen ständig raus. Das hätte ich hier schon hart genug im Leben, oder?
Metal arms like your father.
Weiß ich nicht.
You will fail as both. Round 1. Fight.
Hier. Ich drück die ganze Zeit Option. Alter, was ist mit dem scheiß Controller los? Ich versuch die... Es ist echt ernsthaft gemeint. Wo ist diese scheiß Button-Aktion mit... Das ist ja wohl ein Witz. Was ist denn da los, Alter? Gib mir mal den anderen Controller, Alter. Damit ich den mal zusammenschlagen kann. Dieser Scheiße, Alter. Ich weiß nicht, was da los ist, Mann. Billige scheiß chinesische Kacke, Alter. Das ist unglaublich. Es ist unglaublich. Ich versuche wirklich den Controller... Was ist denn das für ein Mist, Alter? Hier. I'm pressing the option button 100 times. I can't get. I really want to get the fucking controller. I can't press the option button. What the fuck is wrong with these Chinese shit controllers? How the hell is she playing here then? Oh, thank you, Frederick. Fuck this shit. Hello? Oh, this game is broken, right? This fucking game is broken. It's not showing up. Yeah, here we go. Now it's showing. Oh, you fucking piece of shit. Fuck you, Mortal Kombat. Fuck you, Americans. Fuck this shit. Whoever just created this shit game. What an asshole. Can't even press an option button. Can't even press something in the menu. What kind of a shit we living at? Fuck off.
I play for keeps.
Try this again, you son of a fuck. Typical shit American shit they created. American shit game. American assholes. They're sleepy like Biden. Piece of fucking yourself, you son of a fuck. It's like Trump. Rich and stupid. Resist. Fucking resist. Shut the fuck up, Grandpa. Money, 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 eh? Create a real game, you fuckers.
Finish him.
Mm-hmm. Oh, fuck off. I tried. I did. The game is broken.
Wins.
Can't even press a fucking option button in here. Poor guys in America. You're dumb with an asshole like president. Having the next asshole like a president, Mr. Trump. Well, fuck that world order and bump the whole world in.
Let's do it, Briggs.
You better bring it.
Consider it brought.
Round 1. Fight.
When it's through. That's why you're losing.
Round 2. Fight.
Was it a lure? Ego or something? We'll be friends, right? You got me.
I'm on a roll now.
Finish him.
I don't want.
Another day, another beatdown.
Makes sense.
Jackie wins.
Sweet. I don't care about that one. Even the option button is not working with the controller. What's even done in here? Hipster day. Yeah. Shut up.
You wanted something?
Mm-hmm.
Permission to strike a superior
Your
officer?
mother.
Denied.
Round 1. Fight.
See that? I'm pressing the option button all the times. I'm pressing the option button all the times. What the fuck is wrong with this game? It's definitely frequently somehow broken or something's cracked. Or this game is broken. This crap, mate. Everything's working, only the option button don't works. I was close. Where's your mother? Eat cornflakes, god damn it.
Want some more?
I say,
That's why you're losing.
eat your cornflakes, Kathy.
Round 2. Fight.
Oh, that was a good one. are leaving, you know? Where's your mother? Come on, where's your mother? I'm leaving, I just give a fuck on you. You're so cute. Sorry. You're going really?
Finish her!
Controller's broken, I told
Another
you.
day, another
Oh, is it the
beatdown.
game? Left, right, and then a quarter button. No, I just did actually the cycle button then. Triangle button, I'm sorry. God damn it! I fucked myself. There's your father. Real grumpy paw. Okay, Johnny, I kicked your daughter's ass. Oh, what's going on here?
Think your dad's jealous of me?
No, not at all.
Didn't have
Never
to answer
saw
that fast.
my mother groan.
Round 1. Fight.
Just like old times.
Nog am Leben, Opa?
That's why you're losing.
Round 2. Fight.
Gerne doch. Kein Bock mehr auf dich, Junge.
Finish him.
Ich habe einen schlechten Tag.
Jackie wins.
Oh, holy crap, that was fast. What happened?
Fatality.
Well, cause yeah, I think your father's dead or something. That's okay, right? Here we go. I'll be talking. Mostly nothing. Tequila. Now you get raped.
You are gonna haunt my dreams.
Round 1. Fight.
I got fucked up.
Aw, damn. Enjoying yourself so far?
Round 2. Fight.
Good act for Sir.
Weren't expecting that, were you?
The Rick's way. On this guy. On Furry. Have a good night. Oh, what the fuck? I just jumped over. Killer.
Another day, another beatdown.
Jackie wins.
Mrs. Briggs. Nice one. The 3 fingers or 4 fingers? Oh god, this asshole. Watch out.
Jax's little girl.
I'm gonna beat your wrinkly ass.
Give it a whirl.
Round
Deine
1.
Mutter.
Fight.
Where'd it go? That's why they lose.
Kacken.
Round 2. Fight.
Spock dich ständig an den Boden, Junge.
Aw, damn.
Holy shit, what did you... Come on, dude.
Say my name, bitch.
Parlement. There we go.
Jackie wins.
Ich glaube doch ein bisschen Mathematik zu erarbeiten. Öffne dein Buch. Schlampig. Nice one. Ah, ich muss mal schon auf Toilette. Na, Oida, was ist los? Ist nicht fair. Wenn ich sage, ich muss auf Toilette, dann brich doch ab hier. Was ist das für eine Kacke hier immer? Scheiß Controller. Scheiß Option-Button. Scheiß Terroristen. Scheiß Islamisten. Scheiß Muslimen. Scheiß Salafisten. Dreckigen Chinesen mit ihrem billigen Zeug. Verdammten Amerikaner, die nichts fertig bringen. Drück endlich den Button, alle, und bombardier uns mit den Atombomben an. Dieser Stück Scheiße, Alter. Boah. over here. Das Ding ist das Bier so schlecht. Das denke ich wohl kaum. Sagte, hast du noch Bock? Ich glaube weniger. Die rechte Nase fehlt. So ein warmes Bier, oder? Damit kann ich jetzt anfangen. Player Select. Another
You know
sissy.
what's gonna happen.
Round 1. Fight!
That's my girl.
Round 2. Fight!
Another day, another beatdown.
Good night.
Jackie wins.
Wonder what the people ought to watch. Huh. Losers. How you just getting done with these?
Another challenger.
You're on the wrong place, sir.
Arrogance will be your undoing.
Addicted to death,
Fight.
right? And there's no hell. Shut up. plates.
Round 2. Fight!
Another day, another beatdown.
Jackie wins.
Huh. Get off this shit. I don't care. Who the fuck are you?
You're a tall drink of water.
You the horrible.
You will drown.
You will get killed.
Fight.
With a mass of just destruction. Fucker.
Enjoying yourself so far?
Round 2. Fight.
Oh fuck. So.
Finish him.
Another day, another beatdown.
Jackie wins.
Freedom. Huh. That's my girl.
Mortal fool.
You do know what's gonna happen.
You will die.
Round
Dealing
1.
with.
Fight.
How hard you are.
Enjoying yourself so far?
Round 2.
Great.
Fight.
Get up. Fuck. Is this the end resolution you dealing done with? My good night, this shit. Surprise, motherfucker.
Aw, damn.
Fucking cheater.
Tremble
I don't care
before
about
me
you.
as I absorb Earthrealm's power.
Solve your problems. Make it bigger, I don't care. Welcome to the fucking Earth. Great. Never happened before. He's really hating me. Go yourself. Done. Have fun. And don't come back. Well, literally, I have to say you are broken.
Kotal Khan had become a prime target of Special Forces surveillance. Jackie Briggs was assigned to monitor his activity. Jackie followed Kotal Khan to an equatorial jungle, where he entered a hidden pyramid. Inside, he retrieved a glowing crystal skull. Jackie attacked the Emperor and raced away with the object. Jackie was praised for her work, but couldn't help thinking her interference was what Kotal Khan had wanted.
Wenn es nach mir gehen würde, würden wir schon längst gebombt sein. Schon tot, oder was? Deine Mutter. Naja, egal. Regiere. Miesen scheißverdammten Producer. Schleich dich. Scheißhaufen, Alter. I don't want to see this crack. That's hot. I don't care. You might look with the shit. Oh, that's all.
Sonya Blade, the link with Quan Chi is not completely severed.
Not a problem.
going on in here, eh? A little small pee-pee. Is it? Jack!
Darala Feta.
Hiding and done.
The others are restored to the living. By coupling Quan Chi's dark magics to my own, I was able to restore their souls.
Is he gonna
Hey,
make
bro.
Haven't I told you? He's a god.
Yeah, yeah. And you? Or
You scared the
the
shit
cat
out of
sad
me.
And they said I couldn't do horror films.
Don't be filled. You have
He's
to have
gone?
done actually some
How did he-
action.
We gotta go after him.
He can wait. Right now, we need to get you and the others back to Earthrealm.
Do
Is it taking so long?
you gotta go to a spot.
Name? Rayem A2KE Ray.
Thanks.
You
Nothing
seem to
is
know this
wrong in
Kano
here.
intimately.
Who the
Not
heck
the
are
word I'd
you?
use, but yes. I chased him for years until he escaped to Outworld after Shinnok's invasion.
Why would he return now?
Think
All
you're
that
trying to
matters
get
is he's-
special or something, this crack? Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Caught. Gotcha.
This asshole might be you.
Are you lost?
Personnel activities. What is wrong with you?
Hello, love. Been a while.
Not long enough. This is General Blade. I need MPs to my location immediately.
Oh, let's keep this between friends. A tribe. Info for freedom.
I don't negotiate with scumbags.
Well then, if mother won't play nice, maybe daughter will.
If you ever.
Back off, and all's well. Piss me off, and Cassie's gonna meet Uncle Kano.
I swear to God I'll kill you. Handled that well.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh crap, dude. Why are you so aggressive?
I swear to
Der
God.
Bayern gegen Real Madrid. Nobody's watching.
As you were.
Hello all, emoji wide smile.
For the girls.
No, I'm not done with you.
Over now.
All right, get off me.
Sonia, ease up.
For what reason?
You kill me. Never fight.
Don't attack a line again. Get your weapons
Sonia,
away,
we
you
need that
piece of
info.
shit.
Sonia, don't make this another thing.
Not the reality. You're nothing like a piece of shit. You will surface death in another realm.
Talk.
The Quatan jungle.
With at least 2 divisions of Tarkatans. They're on the move constantly to avoid
We
detection.
come to the next
That's
chapter.
not far. Maybe 200 kilometers.
You know what to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck. Blade out.
With a cell
New
phone.
information.
Shut the fuck up. I'm going to toilet
Kino
then.
talked. Gave us
Do
the details
whatever
on the
you
latest
want.
location.
I
She
quit.
has the amulet, but she's got a lot
This
of
is
protection.
bullshit.
We will strike
Of course.
immediately.
Perhaps a two-pronged approach.
Haptic,
The army will engage Melina, distract her, while this one retrieves the amulet.
Not alone. This one's coming with.
Stealth is of the essence.
Did you not hear me?
You may assist in the main strike.
Laura, we will grant their request, and I will finally be rid of Melina.
This one understands your logic, but does not reach the same conclusion. Like others, this one is not pleased with Melina as Connor, but it is not clear your crew will succeed.
That is why I invited our Zaterran friend.
Listen and join us. I know things about Melina,
Her troubled rule will fall in the telling, and pave the way for Mørtal.
What would you know that?
Ah, there they are. 3 of your fellow counselors, whispering like handmaidens. About what, I wonder?
If only you would hear our counsel. As war with Netherrealm looms, I have urged détente with Earthrealm.
And I've told you I would sooner die than
And
trample
I'm
my father's
breathing
murderers.
a different
You refuse
language.
practical solutions to
Shut
credible
the hell
threats.
up.
You endanger the realm.
And sedition does not. Speak your last, before I have your tongue.
You are not Shao Kahn's true heir. She is a construct, formed in Shang Tsung's flesh pit.
You decide about senseless souls.
Service. Your best claim to the throne is moot.
How dare you! I succeed Shao Kahn by his decree!
Succeed him you have, but Outworld demands
I'm on her
new
side of
leadership.
it. I don't
From
know
you.
why.
Archtech fool! Kill him!
This one serves Melina no longer.
You will defend your empress!
Our creator Shao Kahn is dead. We will serve whom we choose.
We choose.
Still, you follow Melina.
Shao Kahn conquered my realm. I owe him my loyalty. I honor his will.
This one mocks you. Feel my sting as you suffer me in joy. You will incubate my young.
Styrband på. Die Chinesen, die Amerikaner sterben sehen. Was ist los? Ja. Fick dich, du Hurensohn.
Is dead. Your last ally has left you.
Take her away.
We would serve the new ruler of Outworld.
Then you serve Kotal Khan.
We have to talk.
There.
Here to surrender, traitor?
You speak of treason. This one knows you desire the throne. Why serve Melina?
I advise her. Stealing the amulet was my genius. It kills her a bit each time she uses it.
As both sides diminish, you fill the void.
Exactly my plan. A shame you will not see its fruition.
Fuck you, Rain.
Your schemes end here.
Tanya.
Leaving without your friend, Devora? Your people believe we avoided your island out of respect for your solitary
Fuck
nature.
if you filled up the cell
The Kaitin do prefer
fertilized by
which I will
some
achieve
idiot.
momentarily.
You're that person. Actually, you're not in the combat anymore. Fuck it.
Now 2 Daniels will die.
I know you said you weren't friends, but you're not killing them. Head's fine, by the way.
Very well. Let us go. Step aside.
That is really disturbing.
Devora!
This one knew you would not stray far from the amulet.
You took my
Pox, yeah.
Now you wish to steal my means of reclaiming it?
Neither was meant for you.
Who are you to say? I will take something of yours. Your life!
Don't talk like that. Shut your mouth, honey. I'm on toilet, have fun. Didn't do something because I'm drinking beer. You have enough? Shut up, honey. I don't trust this shit. Lock yourself. Let me alone. Let me just alone, Melina. Let me just alone. Schlechter sieht aus. Verpiss dich. Geh weg.
This one will enjoy your death.
Enough of your prattle. Finish me, that I may join my father.
Hey du, Hurensohn.
You do not deserve death.
Ich glaub, du kannst hier was erreichen. Ich will dich tot auf dem Thron sehen, Hurensohn. Ich will den amerikanischen Präsident töten. Ich sagte, ich möchte den amerikanischen Präsident töten. Der chinesische Präsident ist immer ständig beschäftigt mit seinen Granaten. Ich sollte sagen, Kindermissbrauch.
The rebellion is over.
Glaubst du, du Hurensohn?
Well, thanks for that. I know I'll never eat again. With your leave, we're gonna head back to Earthrealm. Put the amulet back where it belongs. The hell are you doing?
Stück Scheiße. Scheiß amerikanisches
Earthrealm
Arschloch.
cannot be trusted to protect the amulet. It will remain with me.
The Reiko Accords require
The
that you...
Accords no longer concern me, but you may prove useful when Raiden comes for this.
Du bist sowas von tot. Du weißt es noch nicht.
This one deceived them. The amulet is in Kotal Khan's possession.
You can retrieve it.
He trusts no one else to transport it.
Keeping you close to the Outworld throne these many years has proven most fortuitous, Devora. They never suspected one of their own to be a disciple of our Lord.
This one lives to serve Shilp.
You have done well. Now bring it to me.
Without delay, Anki.
I am not your son. Show little promise.
It's harder than it moves.
I want to knock you down again.
Done this truck shit.
Takeda, cease! Kenshi did not abandon you. He brought you here for your protection.
Protection from what?
From those who murdered your...
Shut up.
Natagasu!
Twelve people. I can't believe this. What kind of an asshole you are? Tending and shit like this. Where I can press the fucking up jump button! You fucking Americans! Let's surf row. Make attack. New Jersey. It's the first add-in. Spoil them. I quit with this shit. It's over with you. All of you. Sissy.
One down, 2 to go.
Oh, fuck you, son of a bitch.
When we get back, you're teaching me that. Deal. Go help with Ermac. I got this.
Think you can handle me alone? You're either brave or foolish.
That is the 5th time I'm pressing the option button. the fifth fucking Warner Brothers assholes American fuck off button I pressed. You son of a fucking Warner Brothers. You can't make a game, Warner Brothers. You like EA. You fucking like EA. Hope you're dying hard. Counter something this crack, you know. Limps off. Sugar free. Triple off your ass in Sunshine Valley. Oh, son. Fuck off, romance god.
Wow, that hurt to watch.
Gun is the best of best.
Challenge would be nice.
Too little, too late.
Knucklehead.
Happiness is a war.
I can't press the button. I can't press the button. That's a new controller. What the fuck? It's a new controller. Okay, give up then. I have a new controller. It's not working. Go yourself then. I can't press some buttons anymore. Fuck it. Do the other one. I am pressing a new controller button on options. They don't care. This game is a piece of shit.
Brave or foolish, I'm alive.
Fuck off, America. Fuck off, China. It's time to equalize you.
Let's see what's worth learning in there. So many minds trapped inside.
We exist to serve, bound by Shao Kahn's magic.
Chaos. The voices.
We are many. You are one. Your abilities fail before us.
Der Typ, oder, ne? Nicht mal dort muss er wieder ihn verpflichten. Schade, keiner zu dir.
You are one. Your abilities fail before us.
German versus America.
Try it again?
Fuck off.
I think I've had enough.
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
I'm starting to get why my dad retired. We have to find D'Vorah. Get the amulet.
Let's go. We won't be out long.
D'Vorah and the Earthrealmers?
She stole the amulet, then helped them escape.
She betrayed us to the Thunderlord.
You wound me, D'Vorah. Prepare the legions. We go to Earthrealm. We will wrest back the amulet from that devil.
You're just talking shit. You like Biden or the Chinese president?
We're all in one piece. No one seems to be tailing us.
Have you been able to determine where D'Vorah was headed?
We think she's headed for the Sea of Blood.
With the connector.
Dad?
She's coming here, to Quan Chi. There's a secret portal near the Sea of Blood. Quan Chi had it built when we were getting ready to invade Outworld.
Great. Dad, what are you doing? Why are you in the Netherrealm?
That's bullcrap.
Being overprotected.
I know you think you have things to make up for, but
I'm doing this
Funny.
with Sonya.
This is
She's
not
family.
real.
that's why I'm worried.
I'll be fine. You stay safe, yeah?
You stay safe too.
Hello, Jack.
I love you. Briggs out.
Briggs out.
Feeling better?
Briggs
Or
out.
worse?
Not sure.
I think so.
Maybe both.
They'll be fine.
Daughter.
Question is, will I be?
We have good crossfire position. But why is it Quan Chi travels by conventional means?
He seems unable to fully use his magic. He's weaker than when I was in his service.
Serena's dead on. He doesn't have Shinnok as a power source. He's still Quan Chi, though.
Kick ass.
I realize you agreed to guide and observe, but you are welcome to assume any role you wish.
Too rusty. Don't want to jeopardize the mission.
He approaches.
Son of a fuck. Ja klar. Du wärst schon längst tot, du Hurensohn. Was so ein Schmarrn. Ha. Was für ein Quatsch. Du bist so im Arsch. Naja, gut. You homo schwuchtel.
Do not interfere, Jackson Briggs. Go back into hiding. Hiding. Guess I have been. Cry uncle. That knocked some of my rust off.
will do the same for you.
Quan Chi's not helping you.
It is possible to escape Quan Chi, Katana. I can aid you, as Bi-Han aided me.
You became too familiar with Bi-Han, allowed emotion to corrupt you.
Emotion freed me.
I don't understand, Katana. I mean, I hate the things I did here, but you enjoy being a revenant.
It suits me. I am a victim no longer.
Yeah, I know what you mean, but this ain't the way to assert yourself.
Suit up! Oh, sissy. Go fucking home. Good night.
I gotta believe there's hope for you. Mother of God.
We've lost many. The rest are wounded.
And our friends.
The tide turned against them. They fled.
How you two doing?
I'm fine.
That's what I thought.
Where are you going?
Gonna bag me a soldier.
Alone?
You'll be killed.
Wouldn't be the first time.
In your weakened state, is it possible for you to release Shinnok?
I am more than capable.
And
shut up.
Are you certain she is capable?
She will bring the amulet to me.
And I'll be waiting for Jackson Briggs. A pleasant surprise. Nothing pleasant about it.
So you return to Raiden? The foolish follow fools.
Raiden did his best. He saved Earthrealm.
He murdered me!
That isn't true.
You were not there! He stole everything from me!
Dein kleines Reich kann nicht erreichen, was ich mit meiner verdammten Tochter habe. Du wirst sterben. Darf ich schnell mal was trinken, bevor wir unseresgleichen messen? Tschüss, abgepanscht, offiziell Lisa Lutzgott. Die steigt schissen.
URL.
Töt ihn.
Overestimate your skill. You are not Instead, you will learn there are worse things than death.
You're one of the best fighters, eh? You've done this shit.
Plenty where that came from.
God, Master the Drifter. DK forever.
Jax, there is no need.
Just stop.
Shut the fuck up.
It's good to be back. Kenshi, I got him.
Excellent work.
I'm staying here. Devora's on the way. You need to get Quan Chi to Song. She'll make him spill his guts.
Sit.
I'm guessing it's not your first time in cuffs. What's your safe word?
URL.
Advise Secretary Blake that Quan Chi is in custody. We'll be moving him to the Supermax facility at Fort Charles within the hour.
Yes, ma'am.
You two stand.
Quan Chi is mine.
KTFOs.
I wish you no harm, General Blade.
Call off your men, Hanzo.
If you value our friendship, you will give me Quan Chi.
What the hell?
Withdraw. Without Sento, you are vulnerable.
Ah, crap. Come on. You son of a mother. Up your ass in your movies. Yeah, to learn a lot.
Only Quan Chi's death will abate my anger.
Hanzo, no! You've earned great trust for the Shirai Ryu. Do not squander it murdering a withered sorcerer.
That withered sorcerer
Whatever.
is the architect of my
Shut
suffering.
up. I am the one. You discovered a death. Anja.
Master Hasashi, I am grateful that you've come.
Speak your mind. I do not wish to linger here.
So, what?
You re-establish the Shirai Ryu, as I reform the Lin Kuei. We both seek to shed our clan's dark pasts, dedicate them to Earthrealm's protection. Our common purpose gives us a chance to end old rivalries, to start anew.
You'll confess what you've long denied? That your clan's hands are soaked in Shirai Ryu blood? In the blood of my family?
Our
You're
honor
welcome.
is indeed stained. Please, sit. After you and I were freed from Quan Chi's control, I sought out my clan. I had hoped rebellion from within would have quashed the Grandmaster's plans. But Sector had realized his father's vision. The Lin Kuei had been fully cyberized. I pledged to kill Sector and his followers, reform the Lin Kuei, and restore our honor.
I am not interested in Lin Kuei politics.
Deine Scheiße will ich nicht weiter hören.
When I finally killed Sector, I discovered the Lin Kuei
Du
had not
bist
sacrificed his
absolut
honor with a cyber
böse.
initiative. We had abandoned it long before.
Kein Mist gibt's mir nicht.
There will be no peace, Scorpion!
Frost! The Lin Kuei are still
Hallöchen,
without
du
honor.
Mausibär.
Master Hasashi, wait!
For what? More treachery? I will have your head!
Hello MR.PDF.
Keine Zeit für deinen Scheiß.
Our story ends here, Sub-Zero.
I was watching anyway, you assholes. I'll have fun. Goodbye.
What is this?
I did not bring you here for treachery. Frost is strong, but lacks judgment. She cannot see the wisdom of peace. I will deal with her.
You spoke of the Lin Kuei's lost honor.
For years, I had thought you would unfairly blame the Lin Kuei for the deaths of your family and clan. But Sector's cyber-preserved memories revealed the truth.
The Lin Kuei need to abide their agreements, Sector. The Grand Master gave Shinnok his word.
Shinnok's currency is lies, as is yours.
Payment is due. I exterminated the Shirai Ryu as promised.
Hanzo Hasashi lives. He's your specter, Scorpion.
I created Scorpion from Hasashi's soul after he died. We observed the agreement.
The letter, not the spirit. You are owed nothing.
Shut up.
Harumi. Satoshi.
Had I known of my clan's complicity in the Shirai Ryu's extinction,
so
our
what?
history would be different.
Useless.
I killed your brother
You
because I
are
thought
useless.
Quan Chi is responsible for Bihan's death.
Sector was wrong. There is a debt to be paid, and Quan Chi will pay it. Unbind him.
Useless.
Scorpion. We can...
My name is Hanzo Hasashi! You killed my wife, my son, and then you burrowed your way into my... Nothing can help you now. At last, you feel my pain.